So, I think I have a continuity failure in the fuel pump, maybe. Let's see what you guys think. So, there's the one, and I'm going to check if the fuel pump has continuity. How do you mention that in English? Excuse my English. Let's see here. Let me put the phone there and check. Okay, here it goes. So the negative on the negative and the positive on the positive on the fuel pump. So it's supposed to go to 0, and it doesn't go to 0. So I'm kind of concerned there. I don't know if that's normal on a fuel pump. Check the red cable. I'm going to do a test on the red cable, for example. So let's put it on one end and let's keep it on the other end. And on the red cable, it goes all the way to 0. Check it out. So I don't know if the fuel pump has to be the same way. I don't know if it's something inside of the fuel pump or whatever. But I was wondering, when I took off the filter was a little bit clotted. How do you say that? In Spanish, you say tapado. You know, it wasn't so free as the new one. The new one was, you can blow on it and it was free. The flow was free. But on the old one, the one that you saw in the picture, was a little bit tough to when you blew on it. So I don't know if the current is something wrong with it, with the internal parts of the fuel pump, but you'll give me your comments. I know. The Samba rocks. Thank you guys. Bye.